Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartHome. Today, we're diving into a common issue with Blink doorbells, how to reset them. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity problems or preparing to sell your device, a reset can often solve many issues. Let's get started. Step 1. Power off the Blink doorbell. Firstly, locate your Blink doorbell and power it off. You can do this by disconnecting the power cable or removing the batteries depending on your model. Step 2. Locate the reset button. Next, find the reset button on your Blink doorbell. This is typically a small, recessed button that may require a pin or paperclip to press. Step 3. Press and hold the reset button. Press and hold the reset button for about 20 seconds. Make sure to keep holding it until you see the LED indicator light start flashing rapidly. Step 4. Release the reset button. Once the LED starts flashing rapidly, release the reset button. This indicates that the reset process has begun. Step 5. Wait for the reset process to complete. Now, give it a moment. Your Blink doorbell will reboot and reset itself to factory settings. This might take a minute or two. Step 6. Reconnect and set up again. Once the reset is complete, you'll need to reconnect your Blink doorbell to your Wi-Fi network and set it up again using the Blink app. Follow the app's instructions to do this. Conclusion. And there you have it. That's how you reset your Blink doorbell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or other topics you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.